Did you really go to school in Jamaica if you've never said in unison with your class,
Speak the truth and speak it ever, cost it what it will. He who hides the wrong he did does the wrong thing still. I've never said that in school.
Yeah, we know. And that applies to
never ever said
you said it at home? And that applies to everything today, including your relationships. Absolutely. So, oh boy.
What question now? So when people say him tell a little white lie, what is a white lie as opposed to just a lie or a red one or a blue? What is that? What is a white lie? What does that mean? It not hurt nobody?
Yeah.
Are you serious about that?
Yeah. It's a lie without massive consequences. Like a little joke type of thing.
No, lie is lie. All right, so the producer said she's going to play. I guess we're going to listen to something and we must tell whether it's what, true or lie, or we must do what?
Well, how diplomatic can you be when your partners ask you to be? You know, to be honest.
Let me not always honest. Me not understand that question.
What do you mean?
All right, come on. So you're not always honest? When your partner, you lie to your partner?
Done it? No, 100% the truth, me tell her all the while. Because if you're...
All right, come. What we're supposed to do? Let's go.
Mrs.
Neville, do you still find me attractive?
It depends on who it is. No, Joe. So I'm supposed to diplomatically... I suspect that you're trying to tell me that I don't find her attractive, but I'm supposed to tell her without telling her I don't find her attractive.
Yeah.
That's what I must do. What is that?
Yeah.
So that's the idea?
That's the idea, Neville.
All right. So if I don't find her attractive...
How can you convince her that
I don't find her attractive?
That you still find her
the question
attractive.
was, do you find her attractive? So, and if I said yes, it's supposed to be a lie.
Neville, do you still find me attractive?
I do.
The end?
So what am I supposed to say after that?
No, which is a good answer.
Yeah,
Because if them ask you if you still find them attractive, I do.
Oh, we want me to say, well, I found you attractive this morning, but I'm not so certain you're that attractive as the day goes on.
Right.
No, I don't understand. I do find you attractive. Who that, by the way?
Garth, I tried something new for Sunday dinner. How was it? Did you like it?
I absolutely love trying new things. You know, I have an adventurous palate, my love.
But you never say whether you like it or not.
You don't need to know what about there.
Well, me that just say, answer the question, you like it or you don't like it?
Babes are going good as usual.
Which is a lie. Come again.
Next one.
Well, to be honest, I'm not certain I understand what I'm supposed to be doing.
Neville, I just got this new hairstyle. How does it look? And what do you think?
I would just want to know why you changed the first hairstyle. That good?
Yeah?
What that mean? They put me out?
Doggos.
They send me out. No, but I never say I don't like it. I just say, why did you change the first one? I never say I don't like it. All right, I love it.
Remember this dress you bought for me 2 years ago? Do you think I still look good in it?
Who won that?
I remember it because I still have the credit card statement for it. And it still is a lovely, lovely dress. You wear it well.
No, God, man, you like quite easily. All right.
I'm being diplomatic. That's part of the whole thing.
No, no, sir. You either lie or you don't lie.
Are you fond of my mom?
No. Argument done. No. Is she fond of me?
Also no.
All right, come again. Am I fond of your mom? She's a very nice mother-in-law.
She's raised an amazing daughter.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Fantastic. And I thank her for that.
Here's the next one.
That's the last one.
Oh, that was the last one. So the thing about diplomacy, right, is that, well, first and foremost, we're not encourage anybody to lie to them partner. Hands.
I encourage anybody to lie, period.
Any at all, right? Just talk the truth. Just be honest at all times. However, you may find that you have to pretty up the honesty a little bit, because you really can't just.
You don't want to be harsh and.
Yeah. So you find a nice diplomatic way of breaking the truth.
Some kids had a chat with Usain Bolt. I saw this on TV, by the way, so it's not a secret. And one of them asked him how many girlfriends him have.
Yeah.
So he answered the question, and then Usain said, "Does me alone feel hot inside?" And the pressure was soon come. Stay with us.